This school just has so much amazing diversity and like kids from all different stories and backgrounds. I think this internship is really fun. I made so many connections with the kids. I have like a few kids that just like to come up to me when I'm sitting like grading stuff and just talk to me.
Jay is a great practicum. She has so many skills and talents that she has to share with my students.
Doing 5th grade seemed like a good idea, and I also liked Irving a lot because it's dual language and my mom already worked here, and knowing English and Spanish, it was just an experience that I wanted to have. Like I wanted to see what the dual language was all about.
When we open our doors to these high school students from the Career Academy, our students benefit so much from those opportunities, and they actually vision themselves as someday being a high school student and going through this process.
The Career Academy is like an amazing opportunity. Now I know firsthand like what education is like, and it's a good experience to have before going into college.